Hello students, this is a lecture of class 3 subject science chapter number 6 and the chapter name is air and water. So dear students, let's start about air. Air is all around us but we cannot see it. Yes, we cannot see it. But it is everywhere. Also, we cannot see. Living things or all living beings breathe in air to survive. Plants also use air to carry out photosynthesis. जो एयर होते हैं वो हमारे चारों तरफ फैला हुआ है. Living beings and plants use air to survive. Air is actually a mixture of gases. It shows all the properties of a gas. It contains gases like oxygen, which we breathe in, and carbon dioxide, which we breathe out. And it also contains water vapor, dust and germs too. When air moves, only we feel it. We only feel it, and that moving air is called wind, and gently moving wind is called breeze, while fast moving wind is called storm. Now, uses of air. We have already studied about air. Now, uses of air. एयर के क्या क्या यूज़ होते हैं? एयर इज़ needed for breathing. For example, plants or animals take oxygen. Animals take in oxygen and plants take in carbon dioxide from the air. Wind helps to move sailboats and windmills. Air also helps bird to fly in the sky. Air also helps in the movement of aeroplanes, helicopters and gliders, and also in flying kites. Air also dries our clothes faster. Now, we already studied about air, uses of air. Now it's turn to water. Just like air, water is also play a vital role in our lives. Water is another vital natural resource for our survival. It is the most evident substance on earth. It covers about 3/4 of the earth's surface. We need water to drink. Why we need water? We need water to drink. Even plants and animals cannot live without it. Plants और animals को भी water चाहिए होता है. And 71% of our body is made of water. और हम ये भी बोल सकते हैं कि जिस तरह से एयर ज़रूरी है, वाटर भी उसी तरह से बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट रोल करता है हमारे लाइफ में, हमारे सर्वाइवल में. और हमें पानी चाहिए होता है, क्यों? पीने के लिए. प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स भी पानी के बिना नहीं रह सकते. और हमारे बॉडी जो है उसका 71% पानी से ही बना हुआ है. ऑल लिविंग थिंग्स नीड वाटर टू सर्वाइव. वी यूज़ वाटर फॉर वेरियस पर्पसेस लाइक ड्रिंकिंग, bathing, cleaning, etc. And dear student, water is present in all the 3 forms in nature, like ice on mountains, water in river, ocean, lakes, and water vapor in air. Now, states of water. Dear students, we already know that the 3 states of water, that is solid, liquid and gas. Okay, solid is ice, liquid is water, and gas is steam or water vapor. All these states can change from one form to another. हम ये स्टेट्स को क्या एक फॉर्म में से दूसरे फॉर्म में चेंज कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, when a liquid is heated, it turns into a gas, and when a solid is heated, it turns into a liquid, and when liquid is cooled down in a very low temperature, then it turns into a solid forms. And the process of fast conversion of a liquid to gas is called boiling. The process of conversion of a gas to liquid is called condensation, and the process of conversion of a liquid to gas is called evaporation. In the same way, boiling is different from evaporation, as boiling is a fast process while evaporation is a very slow process. वो प्रोसेस जो लिक्विड में से गैस में कन्वर्ट करते हैं हम उसे क्या बोलते हैं, बॉइलिंग. एंड द कन्वर्सन गैस से लिक्विड में करते हैं तो कंडेंसेशन. एंड द प्रोसेस जो हम लिक्विड टू गैस उसे हम इवापोरेशन भी बोलते हैं. एंड बॉइलिंग एंड इवापोरेशन आर द डिफरेंट. ये दोनों क्या है, डिफरेंट है फ्रॉम विथ ईच अदर. जैसे बॉइलिंग क्या है, फास्ट प्रोसेस है, तो इवापोरेशन इज अ स्लो प्रोसेस. नाउ वाटर साइकिल. व्हाट इज वाटर साइकिल? वाटर साइकिल इज द प्रोसेस बाय विच water circulate between the sky and the earth in a continuous cycle. This is the picture of water cycle. First, sun hits the water and it convert into a water vapor, and when the water vapor rise up, this water vapor when they rise up, they cool and become tiny drops of water. These all droplets here, these all droplets collect together and form cloud. These all droplets collect and form a clouds. And when the clouds become full and heavy, these droplets fall on the ground as rain. ये रेन बन के क्या होते हैं, ड्रॉपलेट्स ग्राउंड में आते हैं. एंड दैट्स रेन वाटर बैक इनटू द रिवर. दिस रेन वाटर बैक इनटू द रिवर, पॉन्ड्स, सीज, एंड अगेन द प्रोसेस गोज ऑन कंटिन्यूसली. पहले क्या होता है, सन के साइन से वाटर हीट्स अप होता है, देन इट्स कन्वर्ट इनटू वाटर वेपर, देन दैट वाटर वेपर collect tiny drops and other dust particle and became clouds. And when the clouds get heavy, then it's turn into rain, and that the rain again back into the sea, and this process is continuous. First rainfall, collection, evaporation, condensation, this process and continuous, goes continuous. In this way, this is called water cycle. How water circulates between the sky and the earth in a continuous cycle. Now let's revise this chapter. Air is all around us. We cannot see it, but we can feel it. एयर क्या है, सब जगह हम इसे फील कर सकते पर देख नहीं सकते. Moving air is called wind. Gently moving wind is called breeze, while fast moving wind is called storm. And air is a mixture of gases. Air contains gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, water vapors, dust and germs too. Water is the most evident substance on the earth. ये क्या है, बहुत ही ज़रूरी है. Without water we cannot live. And water covers 3/4 of the earth's surface. Water is present in all three forms in nature: solid, liquid and gas. Solid, ice; liquid, water; and gas, water vapor. Now water cycle. Water cycle is the process by which water circulates between the sky and the earth in a continuous cycle. Now we read some hard word of this chapter. WONDERED, wanderer. BREEZE, breeze. STORM, storm. PROPERTIES, properties. REFRIGERATOR, refrigerator. OXYGEN, oxygen. MOVEMENT, movement. PROVIDES, provides. CIRCULATES, circulates. Wanderer, breeze, storm, properties, refrigerator, oxygen, movement, provides, circulates. CARBON, carbon. DIOXIDE, dioxide, carbon dioxide. WINDMILLS, windmills. AEROPLANES, aeroplanes. HELICOPTERS, helicopters. GLIDERS, gliders. ABUNDANT, abundant. SUBSTANCE, substance. PARTICLES, particles. FREEZING, freezing. Carbon dioxide, windmills, aeroplanes, helicopters, gliders, abundant, substance, particles, freezing. SURVIVE, survive. CONVERSION, conversion. EVAPORATION, evaporation. CONDENSATION, condensation. DROPLETS, droplets. OCEANS, oceans. RELEASE, release. COMPONENTS, components. LIQUID, liquid. MELTING, melting. Survive, conversion, evaporation, condensation, droplets, oceans, release, components, liquid, melting. Read one time. Wanderer, breeze, storm, properties, refrigerator, oxygen, movement, provides, circulates. Carbon dioxide, windmills, aeroplanes, helicopters, gliders, abundant, substance, particles, freezing, survive, conversion, evaporation, condensation, droplets, oceans, release, components, liquid, melting. Now I hope you all understand this chapter. So read all these hard words at your home more time and you will able to read with correct pronunciation, and also draw water cycle at home in your notebook and color also.